guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Glory Okings. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be a wig review. If you're interested in knowing this company and what wig I decided to try on, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay. This company is called Gorgius Hair. This is how the wig came in this box. I love the box, the chromey vibe. It came in this box and it came with goodies in the box as well as the wig and also wig caps. I really love when companies send wig caps that are actually darker skin toned wig cap. It's like they know you're sending it to a dark skin person. This is the wig. This is how it came. See how I'm taking care of it like a baby. So I'm going to take out the net now. Can you see that bounce? This is the wig. So I want to show you guys what the wig looks like after washing it. This is the sink after washing it. I did not see any shed hair. I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you see any shed hair, I'm pretty sure it's not going to shed as much. Now I'm going to put the wig on my head and I'm going to use this glue stick to tame the hair down. Guys, back then I never knew about this glue stick or wig glue stick or whatever it's called and hot comb. The magic these things do to your wig, if you are someone who wears wig a lot, I would suggest you buy these two items because they're going to take your wig to another level. Now I'm going to use my rat tail comb to make a triangle in front. I'm trying to attempt a fringe. I know this is a curtain bang, but I'm trying to attempt a fringe for the first time. So I watched a couple of videos to teach me or to learn how to cut fringe, and whenever they cut it, they were doing this mini tiny cuts to cut the fringe. I think it's just to avoid it from having like a blunt end, and I decided to try it out because why not? The teachers were doing it, why wouldn't I do it, right? And I kept going and going and going and going, but eventually it worked out, guys. It worked out, and now I just sectioned my hair with the pin because I want to work with the rest of my hair. I'm brushing it out just to remove any tangles and all of that. So the trick here is I went in with my hair straightener just to, how would I say, to straighten the hair a bit because I washed it, and you know when you wash hair, I could not just go straight into curling it. So I straightened it a bit just so it gives that straight look, and then I went in with my curler. Guys, I would suggest when you're using a curler, make sure it gets very hot because I did not have patience. Okay, make sure it gets very hot and leave the hair on the curler for about 9 to 10 seconds, because if you do not do that, honestly, the curls are not going to stick. And I was also spraying got to be on the hair just so it helps with the curls. I watched a couple videos and they said that helps keep the curls. I think it does, but I'm just not very great at curling hair yet. So when I get better at it, I'm pretty sure I'll be like a pro at this thing. Anyways, now I'm trying to make my curtain bangs or my fringe, like just making the sides, and I'm going in with my fringe. Guys, I am so scared of burning myself. I literally almost burnt myself. I'm so scared of burning myself when it comes to making fringe or curling fringe. So I try to be as careful as possible. So you should be as careful as possible too. Now I'm going to take down the pins. As you can see, the curls formed a bit, but I don't think they formed to the way I wanted them to be. So we're just going to work with it, okay? When you're styling your own hair, make sure you let them sit for a bit and form properly, okay? All right, now I'm just going to cut a bit more just so it gives that loose wave curtain bang vibe. I know it's not giving the exact curtain bang, but you get the vibe, okay? I'm just trying to make sure everything is set nicely and the curls are popping and all of that good stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is what the hair is looking like. I'm just going to set it and I'm going to give you guys the details about this hair in a minute, okay?
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Joe, getting love from my city. I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me.
So this is what my hair is looking like. This is the end result of this hair. This hair is absolutely gorgeous. I love the color. The color is actually like dark brown and chocolate brown. I don't know how to explain it, so I'm just going to share all the details about this hair. So this hair is a cotton bang and loose wave chocolate brown highlights wig. It's like a mid-back length, so it has a unique structure of like the Y-shaped closure, and it's a 3x4 closure, I believe, and it also gives the opportunity for you to be able to separate the hair and wear it like as a middle part or like a proper curtain bang. For me, I did mine to be a fringe because I just felt it looked better this way, and it's HD as well. So far with my knowledge on wigs, HD lace has been the best so far. They melt on your skin, they look really nice. And by the way, you do not have to glue this wig on. I can literally take this wig out of my head and put it back on, and it's a switch up, like immediately it's a switch up, so you do not have to glue this wig. The quality of this hair is 100% human hair, and it lasts for 1 to 3 years. It just depends on how you use it and how often you're going to be brushing it. Regardless of that, this hair is definitely going to last for more than 3 years. So I'm going to show you guys the length of this hair, like how long it is. It's like mid-back length. By the way, I'm 177 centimeters tall, so I'm pretty tall. So it's like down to my waist. As you can see, this is my waist. It's definitely long. It's definitely giving length. So if you're below 5'5" or if you're 5'6", 5'7", it will definitely be longer for you. That's pretty much it, guys. Let me know, how would you style this wig if you're going to get this wig? Let me know in the comment section below. Every detail about this wig is going to be in the description box as well, so you should definitely check that out. If there's a discount code, I'm definitely going to let you guys know. For those of you with big forehead, this is the wig for you. Okay, this is the wig for you. You can also wear it like this if you want to, like separate it, but I think I'm a fan of the fringe vibe. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Myself short, 'cause I know you see me on the come up.